first we're not going to go to McDonald's. And first we're going to get some of my mum. My mum needs some stuff, from shopping.
And always shop.
Yeah, how my sister says she always shop.
McDonald's से क्या लेना है?
Together we're going to get from McDonald's, I think a Happy Meal.
And a McFlurry.
And a McFlurry. If you ask what's a McFlurry, it is kind of a ice cream.
What's the
Really tasty.
And it's so big.
And it's really soft.
It's like so tasty and so soft. It's kind of soft, not so much soft.
It's ice cream
So-
and the whipping cream at the top of it.
No,
It is.
she's saying, it isn't like that. So it's like different.
We are at the farm food. Bye bye. You said you only going to say like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.
Guys, so I'm going to let you come in. So I'm going to see you later, okay? Later. So we're going to go late. I'm going to see you later when we get there. Bye.
What's coming?